Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. This is the new Chipolo ONE Spot in the almost black color, and this is compatible with Apple Find My app for your iPhone or iPad. What's great about this product is that it's Bluetooth and it works with the Apple finding technology. I believe this is one of the first ones to use Apple's technology. And it's pretty small. It's a tracker. We've seen a bunch of trackers before, but this is the first one compatible with the Apple service. So here you are. Here is the almost black color. Fits nicely in the palm of the hand, like that. And it says Chipolo on it. Pretty nice. It just came out and it'll be available soon, or it could be available now wherever you are in the world. So that's the new Chipolo ONE Spot, and you can get it now. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and find me on Instagram at 24K.